In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Jira automation and how you can use it to save time, reduce repetitive work, and streamline your workflow. Jira is already a powerful project management tool, but when you start using automation, it becomes even more efficient. Automation helps you handle routine tasks automatically so you can focus on more important work. To get started, log into your Jira account and open the specific project where you want to create your automation. This step is important because automation rules are usually created at the project level, allowing you to customize them based on your project's needs. Once you're inside your project, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a lightning icon. Go ahead and click it. This icon is your entry point into Jira automation. After clicking it, select the option to create automation. This will take you to the Automation Builder, where you can start creating your rule. Every automation rule begins with a trigger. A trigger is simply the event that starts the automation. For example, it could be when a new issue is created, when a task is updated, or when a status changes. Choose a trigger that matches what you want to automate. Once you've selected your trigger, the next step is to add components. These are the actions, conditions, and branches that define what happens next. Actions tell Jira what to do. For example, you can automatically assign a task, send a notification, or update a field. Conditions allow you to control when the action should happen. This helps you make your automation more precise, so it only runs under the right circumstances. Branches let you create more advanced logic by handling different scenarios within the same rule. This is useful when your workflow becomes more complex. After setting up your trigger and adding the necessary components, take a moment to review your rule and make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click on the Turn On Rule button. This activates your automation and allows it to start working immediately in the background. And that's it. You've successfully created your first Jira automation rule. With automation in place, you'll reduce manual work, improve consistency, and boost your overall productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.